Hey everyone, it's Mike here with How To Apps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make text bigger or smaller on Windows 10. It's fairly simple, so we'll just jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is go down to our Start menu, and we are going to click on Settings. On the Settings screen, we are going to click on System, and then navigate to Display. On our Display Settings options, you can see we have Scale and Layout. And the first option is change the size of text, apps, and other items. We're going to expand that box, and the larger the percentage, the larger the text and apps will appear. The lower the percentage, the smaller your text and apps will appear. You can see here, I increased the size, and the entire interface got larger. And when I go back down to 125%, the entire interface gets smaller. And that's it. That's how you make text bigger or smaller in Windows 10. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos.